Hello guys, today actually it's been 3 or 4 days that I received my Samsung Note 10 Lite, my new mobile, but then I don't have enough time to open it. I just didn't open it. The only reason is that I want to record this unboxing video, and so I waited for 3 to 4 days, and then I'm opening today. Let's see what's there inside. I'm really excited. Not just me, my brother also is excited. Super excited to see how this phone looks. Let me cut it. And it's really feeling very heavy. I don't know what is there inside exactly. What the Samsung has given. Then yeah, it is looking like this. It actually costed me 40,999 rupees, which means 41,000, but the MRP is 45,000. I don't know, the cost of Note 10 is really expensive. I'm a very big Note fan, Samsung Note series fan. And when I heard that Samsung is launching the Lite version of Note 10, the affordable one, so I thought, yeah, this is the time for me to take it. But I've heard some bad reviews that the build quality is not good. Let me see. I want to see it and then decide whether it is good or not. Let's open this. So here it is. Yeah, I like this red color, so that is why I chose red. But it's like amazing. It's not that what I heard in other reviews. It doesn't feel like it's like a plastic. It really feels really good. I'm really excited because as of now I really don't want to remove this because it's plastic. Let me see for 1 or 2 days whether it is taking fingerprint. Like there'll be so many prints on it, which I really hate. The back panel, as they said in other reviews, it's not feeling like it's really plastic. It's like, I think it looks like glass. It's not completely plastic. I'm not at all feeling like it is a plastic. It's like really premium. It is looking really premium. Oh, let me on it. Before this, I would like to see what all they gave in this. Let me put it aside. Let us see what is there in this. Yeah, I got an adapter for the charging. Okay, this is one of the most important things. This port is really disappointing for me because I only have to carry my cable of which is provided with Note 10 Lite, because both the ends of the cable will have only C port C, type C port. So now I cannot use any others, my friends or wherever I go. If I forget this cable, that means boom, I'm gone. Both the ends are having C type, so I cannot use others cables. This is a little disappointing. I don't know whether how advantageous is this and why they took this decision. It's a super fast charger. It is written on here. And these are the two things. Now I got it, and then this is a small box. It's showing okay. This is the tip of the Note 10 S Pen, which is one of the most beautiful things I can get. There's a tip, and if you want to replace it, they gave you extra tips, which is really advantage. And the next thing I received is headphones. Yeah, a little disappointing. These headphones are not looking much premium. It's like these are like ordinary Samsung headphones. I didn't felt like these are premium. Maybe they concentrated more on the inbuilt quality. Let us see after owning the mobile. And then what else we got? So as of now, I only received. Oh, there is something else in this which I didn't noticed. There's an extra box. Yes, they gave the extra protection, the back cover for the Note 10 Lite, so that yeah, because this is not metal or this is not glass. Maybe they gave this extra thing to protect your mobile. That's a good thing. Of course, even without this, it's looking premium. But then this is an extra protection. Yeah, definitely we need it because this is it's a plastic which I heard. So that's it for now. So let's go to this Samsung. Let's on this Samsung Note 10 Lite. That's looking cool. So I started my device. User old device. You need your old Android, iPhone device. No. Next. Updating smart switch. Okay, no. Don't come. See, if you have any information or content that you want to transfer from another device of Google or iPhone, from maybe from cloud, you can get it done in this step. But I'm pressing this. I don't want it, so I just want to have a quick view of all the features it providing. So I'm just skipping this. I don't copy. So it's starting the device now. And if there is, they should provide this manual, whether they gave it or not. I didn't see. Yeah, they gave this. I also received this quick start guide, regional log guide. Oh, Indian. This product should be activated with a SIM card issued from a mobile operator within India. Okay. This can be used only in India. Is that what it means? I don't know, but I have to check it out. Warranty card and then quick start guide. Yeah. This is what I always check in all the mobiles which I which I take. The SAR value. Maybe you might not have the maybe you might not know what is SAR and its value. Why it is very much important to be very low. What they gave is 0.16 is pretty good for users who use this mobile, because SAR means it's about it specifies how much radiation you are going to get exposed by using this mobile. So if it is less, that means you are going to get exposed to very less radiation when you're using this mobile or when you are on calls. It's very good. So I'm very much impressed with this SAR value. Then let's go into this. If you want the full form of SAR, it's specific absorption rate. Now let's go into this device and its specifications. It has three rear cameras, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel wide and 12 megapixel tele, which means zoom, 32 megapixel front facing camera. These are really good. And then coming to the display, it has 6.7 inch super AMOLED display, which is very huge, and full HD plus. Memory 6 and 8 GB RAM variants and 128 internal, and it has dual SIM. And then coming to the operating system, it has Android 10 operating system and Exynos 9810 octa-core processor, which means a Note 9 chipset. And then 4500 mega amps battery is really huge. Now let's go to the phone. The phone is really comfortable in my hand, although it is having 6.7 huge display, 6.7 inch huge display, but still it is really comfortable in the hand, and it is also looking premium. Unlike other devices, this is not uncomfortable in hand. It maybe because it's having a curvy edges on both the sides, so I'm happy with that. And there's an on-screen fingerprint sensor, which is not so fast, but okay. Also, there is a punch hole selfie camera on the screen, and the coolest feature is whenever it is scanning your face, there's a light around it. I'm showing you a little closer. Please wait. See how cool it is. There's a light around the camera, which is really cool. I never heard this feature from others. That's it, guys, for now. I'll get back to you after using this device for a week with an in detailed review on this. How is it and how is it working? Thank you. Bye bye.